Hello friends, my name is Ravindra Vaishampayan and I'm here to encourage you to participate in the Speak and Win competition launched by Career Guru Mantra on the topic of my career choice. A little bit about myself. I'm a Silicon Valley veteran. I've been working in Silicon Valley, California for the last 20 years, spending a large part of my career in companies like Cisco Systems. Recently, me and a few of my friends, we have quit the security of a large company and started our own small startup company to pursue our passion, to pursue our dream. I'm here because I chose to pursue my dream. I started, like everybody else. I grew up in small towns in India. I did my 12th from a small school in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. One of the major problems in the Indian education system, the way kids are deciding their careers, is the herd mentality. People are doing things because their friends are doing it, because their father told them to do it, or their mother told them to do it, or their uncle told them to do it, and that's a problem. Kids are not really taking the time to explore what they really want to do. What is it that really gives them joy? What is it they would like to spend their whole life doing? Many of them are not even aware. And do you really want to spend the next 20, 30, 40 years of your life doing something that you don't really enjoy? So I would encourage you. Make use of this wonderful opportunity provided by Career Guru Mantra with this Speak and Win competition, and think, explore, discuss with other people. What is it that you really want to do? It may take some time. It may take a few iterations, but eventually you will get there. Eventually, if you think about it with honesty and passion, you will find what you really want, what you really want to do. And trust me, if you don't even try, you will definitely not achieve that understanding of what you really want to do. And in this process, as you record this video, as you upload it, you will also build the power of communication, build the power of expressing what you're really thinking. Because trust me, whatever you want to do, in whatever career choice you make, you will not be able to do it alone. You will need the support of other people to join you, to collaborate with you, to have a shared vision, and your communication skills are really going to be very, very important. So this will not only, participating in this competition will not only encourage you to think about what you really want to do, but also help you get those communication skills which are necessary for doing anything interesting, anything important. So thanks a lot, friends, for your time, and I hope I gave you something interesting to think about, and I do hope you will make use of this opportunity and participate in the Speak and Win competition launched by Career Guru Mantra. Thank you. Bye-bye.